And to the neighboring Tana River County, leaders have expressed dissatisfaction with the national government for continued marginalisation and destruction of the ecosystem. Led by Governor Dado Godana, the leaders claim that the natural calamities experienced in the area, especially in Tana Delta sub-county, were as a result of destructive development along the river Tana upstream. Godana cited the mega dams constructed along Kenya's longest river as a contributing factor to drought and floods, adding that it was ironic for the national government to initiate irrigation projects in the area while at the same time denying the area of much needed water by controlling water flow from the dams upstream.
Yako kwa Mungu, lakini serikali wanamaliza mto. Wengine mnasema ni asset, but you are not protecting the same asset. That is the contradiction in your definition and in action. There is a gap, there is a contradiction, which needs to be corrected.
Tana River ni sehemu ambayo kwamba ni marginalized. Tuko chini sote hapa. Uchumi yetu ni mbaya. Si Muorma wala si Mpokomo wala si Mordei. County zimekuja kutusaidia. Lakini cha kustajabisha kule bipartisan Kalonzo Musyoka pamoja na yule mwenzake, badala ya kuwanyanyua hao watu ambao kwamba wako chini, munaenda kujisimamia nyinyi ambao kwamba mmekuwa na mizizi tangu mbeleni.
Ukiweka ushuru ya kuwa mkulima atinaye anatozwa ushuru, wakati huyo mkulima.
And in Turkana County, 2 schools have been closed in Turkana East due to insecurity. Parents have been forced to